Welcome to Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, where we nurture young minds to explore science with compassion and integrity. Today we introduce you to Latifa Bakari Njama, an exceptional student with a keen interest in science and a dedication to humane learning.
My name is Latifa Bakari Njama. I am the upcoming doctor from the beautiful school Chalinze Modern Islamic. Today, I'm going to show you how to dissect a rabbit.
Latifa will demonstrate a compassionate method of dissection, studying the anatomy of a rabbit without causing harm. Her approach exemplifies respect for life and a commitment to ethical science.
The aim of doing this dissection is to prove that if the digestive system of a rabbit is resembled to the human being. So we are going to dissect it and we are going to show you the organs if they really resemble to the human being.
Latifa prioritizes the rabbit's well-being, beginning with a gentle examination to understand its health and anatomy before proceeding.
Before removing the leathers, we have injected the rabbit so that it can sleep and cannot feel anything. Using
non-invasive techniques, Latifa carefully explores the rabbit's anatomy, ensuring the animal remains unharmed during the dissection.
Beside this, there are capillaries, which their function is to take the nutrients to the other parts of the body. And this one, it is kidney. This it is the right kidney, this one. And here down we have got urinary bladder, which its function it is to store urine. This one, it is left kidney. Its function it is for blood filtration. We cannot see the liver here, but we just see a little this one. Here it is a liver. Up there is a stomach, but we have not reached, which its function it is to store food temporarily, this one. Thereafter, we have to sprinkle some water so that it cannot dry, and we should be careful when returning these organs so that to not misintegrate the function of these organs. We are going to return it slowly. So now we have proved that the digestive system of a rabbit it is resembled to the human being. The main cause is that the rabbit and the human being are in the same group, which is class Mammalian. As you can see here, we have already returned the organs. Now we have to stick the rabbit.
Latifa's passion for science is supported by her teachers and peers, inspiring her to contribute to the medical field with empathy and excellence. At Chalinze Modern Islamic Pre- and Primary School, we nurture such aspirations, preparing our students for a bright future.
As we can see, after dissection, our rabbit now it is fine. Yuko sawa, anaendelea vizuri kama mnavyomuona. Kwa uwezo wake Allah amepona na ameamka kama mnavyokiona. Kidonda chake ni hiki hapa. Hiki hapa. Yuko vizuri. Na pia changamoto ambazo nilizipitia katika kumpasua huyu sungura, cha kwanza alikuwa ni mkorofi sana. Pili, ngozi yake ilikuwa ngumu kidogo ila sio sana, ila kwa uwezo wake Allah sasa hivi yuko vizuri, anaendelea vizuri. Naona dawa inamuishia mpaka Baada ya wiki moja hivi atakuwa yuko fresh, anaendelea na mambo yake ya kawaida.
Join us as we follow Latifa Bakari Njama on her journey of ethical exploration. Chalinze modern Islamic pre- and primary school fostering the scientists and leaders of tomorrow.